Hello students, welcome back. I hope you are enjoying this video series. So we'll continue our next adjustment regarding provision for taxation. So in this video, we'll see the adjustment number 3, which is dealing with the taxation account. So if there is a adjustment given for provision for taxation account, then we need to prepare provision for taxation account. As we know, there is opening balance and closing balance. So let's take opening balance on credit side as a by balance brought down, closing balance on debit side as a to balance carried down. If there is any provision made during the year, then we'll write by profit and loss adjustment account provision made during the year. Then we'll take total of both the side. If the difference we can find on debit side, then we can assume that the payment of tax has been made. So we'll write to bank account. Let's take an illustration to understand these effects. So this is a balance sheet given for the year 2017 and 2018-19. Provision for taxation made for the year 2017-18 amounting to rupees 40,000, and for the year 2018-19 it is 50,000. Income tax paid during the year amounting to rupees 35,000. So let's prepare provision for taxation account. First we'll write the balances. Opening balance will be on credit side as a by balance brought down, amount 40,000. Closing balance will be on credit side as a to balance carried down, amounting to rupees 50,000. In this case, we are making payment of income tax. So entry will be provision for taxation account to bank account, amount of tax paid, that is 35,000. We'll take the total of both the side, 85,000, 85,000. In this case, difference arises on credit side amounting to rupees 45,000, which we'll write as a profit and loss adjustment account provision made during the year. Let's see other effects. We have prepared provision for taxation account. In the provision for taxation account, credit side we can see by adjustment P&L account. So whenever we prepare profit and loss adjustment account, debit side will be to provision for taxation. Amount will be 45,000. Here we are making the payment of tax amounting to rupees 35,000. That is nothing but application of fund. So we'll write in fund flow statement, application of funds column, payment of tax rupees 35,000. So these are the effect of adjustment. Now we'll test your knowledge. Payment of tax is recorded on. So options: credit side of provision of taxation account, application side of fund flow statement, debit side of P&L adjustment account, and last option credit side of P&L adjustment account. So choose correct options. In this case, the options are debit side of profit and loss adjustment account and application side of fund flow statement. So if there are such type of MCQs are asked in the examination, you should know what are the treatments of that particular transactions. Hope you are clear with this concept. Thank you so much. Bye.